Good evening, everyone. This video is all about to clarify your doubts about re-verification and re-evaluation process of your grade 10 and grade 12 marks. Still, I am getting few queries from the parents asking that we are still in confusion. What does it mean? So for that, I am making this video so that this will help you to clarify all your doubts. So first thing you should remember that you need to pay the fees online. So from where should I pay the fee? That I'll show you the site from where to pay it, and I'll give the description in the link so that you can directly access it to pay your online fee. One thing you should remember before going to apply for this process, it is very clearly mentioned in the circular that there is a chance to decrease the marks also. There's a chance of decreasing the marks because CBSE will re-evaluate your marks, your answer sheets. If it is found, suppose if they find that yeah, it has marks should be decreased, then again the new marks will be displayed in the site. In which site that I'll tell you. Again, you will get a new mark sheet. New mark sheet uh, will be given to you. Then you need to submit your old mark sheet in the school and should collect the new mark sheet from the school. Okay, so this is very important point that you should remember. If you are not satisfied with your current marks, then I suggest you go for this process. So you can apply for verification of marks. So here there are total 3 steps that I'll tell you. So few students are asking, sir, can I go directly for this second process? Can I directly obtain a photocopy of evaluated answer books? No, it is not possible. Without step 1, you cannot go to step 3 or step 2. So first thing, you should follow the process. You should follow the steps. First is verification of marks. So here, suppose if you are unhappy with your marks, imagine that you got 80 marks in any of the subject, in English, maths, science, social, any of the subject, but you have expected 90 marks, then you can go for verification. So if you are opting one subject, then you have to pay 500 rupees. If you want, sir, I have expected 95 above, 95 plus in science, but I have scored 90 marks, then you can choose even science also. For that, again, you need to pay again 500 rupees. So for every subject, you need to pay 500 rupees. If you are opting for subject, then 2000. After this, so what is the deadline to apply? From 20th to 24. Okay, so it will start. Today is 18th, and the applying the process will start from 20 to 24. After this, after applying online, CBSE will display your new marks in the site. That site I'll show you. So from where you have to check and where to apply the fees, everything I'll give the link also in the description. Okay. After this, there is a chance to increase your marks. If not, if you're again unhappy, then you can ask for the photocopy of your answer booklet. Okay. So again, you can challenge it. For that, again, you need to apply 500 rupees per answer book. Again, for each subject, 500 rupees. And the time is given 4th June to 5th June. Only one day time has been given so that you can apply during these days. If your marks is changed, okay, if your marks get changed, you will get a new mark sheet again. That you should keep in your mind. You should remember. Okay. So old mark sheet you should submit in your school and then collect the new one. Okay. You can access even from DigiLocker app also. After this, if you are still unhappy, so again after verification, after obtaining photocopy, then what you do? You take the photocopy, show your photocopy to your to any expert or your subject teacher. Then if you find no, I should get more marks in particular so and so question, then you can again apply for re-evaluation. So you all know from 1 to 39, there are 39 questions. Out of 39, if you have doubt in question number 11 and 12, then you need to pay 200 rupees because for each question 100 rupees. Okay, and the time is given from 9th to 10th. And one more important point that you should remember is if you apply for both these two questions and next day if you feel that sir I'll apply for 13 and 14 question also, then it is not possible. One go, only at a time, you can apply for the re-evaluation. Okay. That is a very important point that you should remember. Now, Sir, where should I check my all my answer sheets, and where should I pay the fees? So I'm going to show you the site. Same direct link I will give you in the description also. So this is the site, CBSE site called as Pariksha Sangam. You can even access it from academic main website also, CBSE main website. So here you'll find two icons. Then select on this. The second one, rechecking and re-evaluation. So here you could see that apply for verification of class 12. If you are class 12 students, you can select this icon. If you are class 10, select class 10. So the date starts from 20th. If I select it, it will show here too early because today is 18. Okay, fine. And then fee payment, you can do the fee payment here. So to do this, you should enter your application number. So sir, I don't remember my application number. Okay. Then you click here, forward application number, select your class. If you are 10, select 10. If you are 12, select 12. Then enter your roll number, which is given in the admit card. Then 5-digit school number, which is also given in the admit card, and center number. Then proceed. Then you'll get the application number. That after this, your if you do your payment, then one thing you should remember, you will not get any alert or any message from CBSE. You need to continuously check in this portal. So here you have the last portal, you'll have the last option, verification status. So here you need to enter your application number, roll number, and then proceed. Okay. So then all your mark sheet, everything will be displayed. So the already again note is mentioned even in this site. Candidates applying for verification of marks only eligible to obtain photocopy. So first you should go for verification. Then only you are eligible to apply for photocopy. After this, then you are able to apply for re-evaluation. Okay, so there are three processes. Okay, you should follow the same procedure. I hope you all have understood. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box so that I'll try to answer all your doubts. So all the best for everyone. Thank you so much.